crazy on.
Hey man, we out here, man. See how packed it is. You guys see it, man? The package is secured, people. And we got that info too. You guys heard it? Yes, sir! Yeah! Take this motherfucking Bane mask off. The package has been secured. The package has been secured. Oh, check it out, guys. We got a little Mustang pulling up to us too. And I got the camera out. Oh, and it's a 5.0. Top of the morning to you guys. What's good with you? You guys see it, the merch and all that, man. Hey, it's currently early as hell and cold as hell. You guys see it, man. Oh yeah. Who is LouieXIII? LouieXIII Gaming. You know it's all the same, man. Gaming and the car stuff. You already know what this is. I'm telling you, early as hell, cold as hell. This is gonna be a good one. Hop up in here real quick one time. Bruh, it's cold as hell. You know how they say brick? It's brick. It's brick out here. I'm telling you guys, man. But hey, I am lit right now. I just woke up like literally 5-10 minutes ago. And today is a very special day. Finally, The Rock has come back. No, I'm just playing. Hey, Xbox Series X, you feel me? It's lit, baby. We going to pick it up right now. Like I said, early as hell, 6:42 a.m. Got my appointment set for 7, and we on the way right now, man. We gonna go pick that thing up, and we gonna start that streaming today, man. We're gonna start that streaming today. It's lit, man. I'm hyped. I don't know if you guys could tell, but you know, this early in the morning and I'm this hype, man. You know what I'm saying? And I just woke up. Yeah, you already know what time it is, man. Hey, if you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I appreciate it so much. It helps tremendously. You know, we're just trying to continue to grow. That way I could bring you guys more of the best content possible. And the more that we grow, the more I'm going to be able to do that. So thank you guys so much. Whatever channel this is on, probably might be on both. You know, we're going to pick up the Xbox Series X, so that's gaming. We're in the whip, so that's car content. You know what I'm saying? So you guys already know, man. Go subscribe to all the channels. You see the merch. We merched up. You know what they call me, big merch out here, man. 1391, that's the clothing brand. All links to everything that I use, recommend, the merch, the channels, all links are in the description down below. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go down below in the description. It's all there for you guys. But without further ado, man, you know we gonna get this thing on the road, man. We gonna go get that motherfucking Xbox Series X, man. And stay tuned because PS5 is coming out in a couple days as well. And I haven't got that one yet. I wasn't able to pre-order it. But you better believe that I'm gonna get that done, man. I'm gonna get it done. We're gonna have both on launch day. Man, it's lit. Let's get it, people. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. You guys see it, man. Dumb early in the morning. Sheesh. Can't see shit. Like legit, I can't see nothing, bro. What the hell? Damn. Still can't see shit. Shit is not safe. Alright, we good. I can see a little bit now, you know. Had to throw the shades on one time for you guys, man. You see me? Hey, but I'm hyped, guys. Not gonna lie to you. I've been waiting, man. Because, you know, I sold my other consoles. I had the PS4 before, and I had the Xbox One before. I had them both at the same time. I sold the Xbox One before anything, like way before they even announced the new consoles were coming out. Just because I was a PlayStation guy, you know, I used to play PS4. I wouldn't play all the time. I wasn't playing it that much. That's why when the whole pandemic and everything started, I just went ahead and sold it. I sold it for a real good price, and it worked out because, you know, I got to get the most out of it. It was the first ever PS4 that came out. I'm talking about the OG launch edition PS4, and I sold it for a pretty good price, man. Kept all of the games that I really enjoyed. But yeah, man, like I was saying, PlayStation guy, man. Just dropped the keys. You guys heard it. That's all good. But yeah, man, I'm a PlayStation guy, but we're going to get that Xbox Series X right now, and I'm gonna be able to tell you guys which one I like best. We're gonna do the comparisons and all that side by side, you know, give you guys everything you need to know about them. Can't go crazy yet, man. The fluids ain't warmed up yet, man. Still need to warm up that oil, especially when it's cold like this. Go ahead and get over there, buddy. I'm over here picking up my shit, driving with my knees. Damn, don't try that at home. Look, no hands on the whip, baby. We going around turns and shit. What y'all know about that, man? Don't try that at home, all right? But yeah, man, hey, drop down in the comments which one are you guys getting, man? Xbox Series X, PS5, what you guys rocking with? Sony, Microsoft, what you guys all about? Which one's gonna take it this year, man? I think last year at launch, PS5 was in the lead as far as like the one that they said everybody, you know, the one that they said was better. And then actually after a while, Xbox started to, like, you know, gain on the PS5 a little. So I don't know who ended up coming out on top of the PS4, Xbox One. What do you guys think though, man? And who's gonna come out PS5, Xbox Series X? Who's gonna come out on top, man? Who's gonna be the king of that next generation? I don't know. You shall find out. You know I'm gonna have all the comparisons for you. You know I'm gonna do the side-by-sides, the graphic tests, you know. The look tests, obviously, in my opinion, I haven't seen them in person yet, but from what I've seen online and everything, I'm gonna have to give the look test to the PS5, man. That thing, I mean, it's big as hell, but it looks pretty cool if you ask me. I like the way it looks. And then the Xbox it's simple. You know, I like simple. You know, they didn't go over the top. And I'm a simple type of dude, so I like that one as well. But we are 10 minutes away from my appointment.
That's what she said.
And probably about less than 5 minutes away from our destination. So we ride in time, baby. We ride on time. I mean, man, we out here, man. See how packed it is. Doesn't look that packed from where I'm at right now. And we're going to Best Buy to go pick this up. That's where I pre-ordered it. That's where I like to get all my stuff. Oh, it doesn't look packed at all though. I know they had the 6 a.m. pickups and they had the 7 a.m. pickups. Don't look like anybody's here right now though. That's crazy. I was expecting it to be a little more packed. Out here looking like Bane and shit. How's it going, man? How's it going? I came to pick up my Xbox.
Sure. Go on into the left side.
Thanks, man. How's it going? Is that way for the Xbox?
Yeah, on the other side of this.
Alright, cool. Oh, they got all the controllers and everything. You guys see it? You guys see it right there, man? Oh, they got all the Xboxes. Hey, how's it going? Xbox.
You have your ID with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get a sandwich?
You want a sandwich?
Oh, sorry. We're getting breakfast.
Yeah, no, I'm just playing with you. You know, are you guys gonna have any like PlayStation 5s? You know how you have to order them online? Are you gonna have any for launch day that you could order online and then come pick up if you didn't make a pre-order yet?
So, if we do have any to sell, we would have to just purchase it online.
And will we be able to come like same day and come pick it up? Oh, really?
We have like 1 hour delivery pickup.
Okay.
So we already have all of our pre-orders ready.
Right.
We might have a few, and the web. If you want to like refresh the website at 10, you should be able to make an order.
Cool.
Just letting you know.
Thank you.
Low
Thank
key.
you. Yeah, I appreciate that. Got that info. All right. You have a good one. All right. You guys see it, man? The package is secure, people. And we got that info too. You guys heard it. I ain't gonna put this out until after PS5 launches, but we got that insider info. We got the Xbox. My man over there, you see him speeding off. He got his Xbox. There wasn't that many of them, surprisingly. Put that baby right over here. Hold up. And you know we gotta secure the bag, baby. You go ahead and strap this thing in. Oof. Oh shit. Yeah. Alright. Strap that thing in, man, nice and secure, you know? Yeah. You're gonna say. Yes, sir! Yeah! Take this motherfucking Bane mask off. Hey, we lit! You guys see it? The package has been secured. The package has been secured. All right. Hey, and we got that little insider info, baby. You feel me? So we gonna have the PS5 too. Believe that. I don't know if anybody knows that yet. Obviously, probably people that they know. You know, the people that work at Best Buy. Their friends, you know, they probably know. Oh man, I'm hyped though, people. Look, I'm about to make a little story. Hold up. Top of the morning to you guys. Top of the morning, you guys see the merch. As always, man, you guys see it. Big merched up. You see the camera. And you see that Xbox Series X, baby. The package has been secured. It's lit. Let me get out of here before I get robbed and shot for this shit. Damn, hey, yo. Remember how I told you guys it's pretty damn cold. Well, you can see right here, look, 37 degrees out here, baby. I'm out here in the cold. And look, one thing that I do like about this charger right here, automatically they put on that seat warmer for you, and they put on that wheel warmer, man. What y'all know about that? I didn't even think to put that on this morning, but they did it for me. Hey, we out of here, man. Hold up. You already know what we got to do with that. My man's over there got his Xbox. Yes, sir, man. Hey, I'm big warm now. They're probably like, damn, he excited. He excited to get that Xbox, man. Look at GameStop, got the people over there waiting for their stuff. Sir, you guys hear it, man. Hey, if you're on the gaming channel right now and you want more of this car content, go over and subscribe to the car channel, man. And if you're on the car channel and you want to see this gaming channel stuff, go over, subscribe to the gaming channel, man. Simple as that. You get the best of both worlds with me. Gaming and that right there. And I'm gonna have to slow down. Red light. Oh, check it out, guys. We got a little Mustang pulling up to us too. And I got the camera out. Oh, and it's a 5.0. Okay. We might get a little run-in with y'all, man. What y'all know about that? Let me roll up this window. Or actually, I'll keep it cracked. I'm confident in the whip, man. You hear it? You guys see it, look. There you see it in the rear view. See if you want catch up to us. I don't think he wants to smoke from the look of it. It's a 5.0. Looks like a 2014, if I'm not mistaken. Let me shift gears, man. You know I'm gonna stay ready so I ain't got to get ready. This is where my hand's at right here. Just in case he pulls up, man, I'm downshifting and we lit. Damn, we scared him away on that little freeway launch right there, man. He might have been with it. Because he was looking a little antsy in the beginning, and then, you know, we did that little freeway launch. And he heard, you know, he heard her, man. He heard her. And he's just been staying back there. So, I don't know, man. I don't think he wants the sauce right now. He's staying way back there, though. You guys see him, man. In the rear view. With the lights. See if he, you know, maybe he'll see the camera. Oh, here he comes. Oh, no, he switched lanes, but I gotta switch lanes right now, too. Oh, and all the traffic's coming up. Come on, dog. Trying to get a run out here, you know, for the people, man. What you doing? Okay, that's why we got it strapped in. Man, this seat warmer's getting hella warm, though. Seat warmer and the steering wheel warmer, bruh. I'm warm as hell right now. A little too warm. Thing works good. Okay, I see you with the Challenger. Should we wake him up? Sorry, guys. Hey, but we're lit, man. So, you know, stay tuned. I'm about to take this thing inside. We gonna set it up. We gonna do the unboxing, all that. And we're about to go stream, man. We're about to go streaming. About to go streaming. First time ever streaming. We about to hit it up, man. Live review, live reactions, and all that, man. So if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. It's probably already up.